Okay, hey everyone, this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel gardener. Last fall, I planted these plants and did a fertilizer test. I fertilized each one with a different fertilizer just to see which fertilizer did better. And this is the results. Okay, this plant, you can see the height. You can see the height. You can see the height. So basically they're about the same height, and when I planted them, the pups were all different sizes, but they were small. So this one here has a nice rack on it, and you can see the size of the rack. This one over here has a nice rack. You can see the size of the rack, and it's still got to fill in and grow a little bit. So coming around to the back side, this rack, this plant has a nice rack on it. It's still got to grow a little bit, but it's looking good. These just fall off over time. But as you can see, the size of the plants are all about the same. Okay, so all these were liquid fertilizer, water soluble. So let's go to the back and I'll show you how those did. Okay, so this is the plant in the back. It's almost the size of the ones in the front, but this rack is a little smaller. And these are with granules. They need rain to wash in the fertilizer, and we've been having a big drought. So as you can see, the fertilizer did not go in there and do its job. So in all fairness, I'd have to say all three of these water soluble, the fertilizer went into the ground and fertilized them real good, because all the compost in the back and in the front are the same, and we had the same amount of rain or non-rain. But it's clear that the water soluble went in, fertilized the roots, gave the plant the nutrients it needed, and the ones in the back, the granules did not wash down, lack of rain, although we did have rain. They were all fertilized at the same time if you look at my other fertilizer test videos. But hands down, the liquid fertilizer does a lot better. The plants are the same size, and the racks are the same size, to where the one in the back, the rack is smaller and the plant is smaller. And one of the plants did not do good in the drought. It never shot up. I would show it to you, but it's not even there. So it did not like the granules. So what I recommend and what I'm doing is water soluble. All three of these were different liquid fertilizers. Once again, you got to search below, and I'll put it down in the description below. But the liquid soluble, hands down, performed better on the plant and on the racks. So hey, this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel gardener. This is the end of my fertilizer test. Although these still have a few more months and I'll harvest them, I'll do a harvesting video, and you'll be able to see that. But for right now, hands down, liquid fertilizer. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it helps you out. Give me a like, give me a share, subscribe to my channel. Come on over to my Facebook banana group. The link is in the description below. See you there.